Hiiumaa Gymnasium, Hiig for short, is the only secondary school on the island Hiiumaa. Our school has a very modern and beautiful schoolhouse, which provides competitive studying possibilities for every student. However, the schoolhouse itself is nothing without our active and ingenious students and inspirative teachers. They are the school's pride and joy. For example, we have here extraordinary athletes. Members of Athletics Club Hiikar have achieved great results both at the local and the national level. Most of our students are attending in some physical training, for example football, volleyball, tennis, dancing or going to the gym. Our school cooperates with Hiiumaa Sports School. The music teacher of Hiig leads the mixed choir of our gymnasium, which unites our musically talented boys and girls. We also have amazing solo singers. In the beginning of year 2018, one girl from 11th grade gave a solo concert, cooperating with a band. This was done as a cause of her compulsory work at school, but she said that it may be the beginning of something new. Another girl from the same grade published her own book of poetry and presented it in the local art gallery. The students of Hiig have taken part in several national and international projects. Even though the school has worked only for 1 year, young islanders have been to Croatia, the USA, Latvia and Iceland. Spring 2017, 4 11th form students and 2 teachers went to Croatia with the international Erasmus Plus project, Understanding and Critical Media Literacy. Even our school hosted several international students within this project. This experience gave our students useful knowledge to orientate better in today's information society. Furthermore, some students have voluntarily participated in international projects during the summer holiday. One girl attended in an acting camp in Latvia. As a result of 1 week there, she made a successful performance which she reproduced also at the Estonian Opinion Festival. One girl of our students was picked out of 1,000 candidates over the Baltic states to spend a month in the USA developing her leadership and entrepreneurial skills during the International Leadership Academy program. Another girl from our gymnasium decided to spend her school year 2017-18 in Holland with the help of Students' Exchange Organization YFU. Also, one girl who is now studying in 10th grade spent her last year in Ecuador with the same organization and is now actively doing volunteer work in YFU. In addition, this year our 11th grade hosts an exchange student from Germany. Our teachers have participated in a cooperation project between the teachers' communities in the Baltic countries. Looking at all these successful undertakings, there is no doubt that our school must be an amazing place for growing up, to be an independent and responsible person and a full-fledged member of society.